you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Hello, hi my loves, Sanmanani, Ninjani Hula. I hope guys you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, welcome guys. Thank you so much for tuning in again. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing my video. I hope you will stay. Ngikwamkela ngezandla ezintofo. My name is Xolile Ndlovu, the mother of three cubs. Guysini, today we are doing the third video. Guys, and I am so excited. I am so excited to finally release the third video, even though it took a little bit longer. But yeah, finally I came out. Finally, I managed to upload it. Guys, then we are sitting at 45 subscribers. I am so excited to that. Okay guys, we are doing the third video today. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for the support. As I've said before, it means a lot. It means a lot, your ongoing support, because we are still working on growing our little community. Okay, but iyabonakala imsebenzi. Thank you guys. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Guys, then ningixolele shem ngevoice yami ngiyabona ngathi nginyonyobela umkhuhlane. Guys, it has been cold in PE. It's been raining. Liyanetha kuyabanda kuyabanda. As you saw guys, endaweni eMthatha, it's bad. The situation is very bad, and we are not that far from eMthatha guys. So nje sisindile, thank God for that. Guys, I have a lot of things to do. I'm from night shift. I only slept for 2 hours. I still want to sleep. But if umzal and you don't have any helper, you have to stand for yourself. Because that's what I choose for myself. Guys, then I have a lot of things to do. I have a laundry that I have to do. It's a lot. So besiwasha kuphela since it was raining. So the kids are wearing a lot of clothes. Bayabhanqa ingubo eziningi. So izwane nje ubuhlungu kanjani umphimbo. So bayabhanqa ingubo eziningi because it was cold and they go to school. So besivele siwashe nje no daddy and leave it there in the laundry room and singer's fault, because Nama was also busy going to work. I didn't have much time to do all that. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I will go for the closes. Yeah, mele ngizifotele izingubo because zimele mina aziziningi kanje guys. Ngumqungqulo, uyawazi umqungqulo, ingubo zesonto lonke. So yeah, I have to do that laundry. I have to fold, I have to fold them. And ekuzisongeni nasewardrobe guys kumafutufutu. So I have to fold the clothes and then go back to the wardrobe zabantwana and then ngiqale ngenze zona before I pack ingubo pha ewardrobe. It's a lot. It's gonna take me a day. And then what I have to do again today, I will do my middle child's hair. she hasn't done the hair, so I need to change the hairstyle for her. I'll just do a Snoopy, guys, and easy Snoopy, because only they are about to close. Yeah, so I will just do the Snoopy for her. And then I will make amagwinya. Before I start everything, I will just make intlama, so that when sengiqedile ukwenza all this ngizokwenza amagwinya, because they are craving for amagwinya and the weather is still not okay. Yeah, guys, and I have to finish all these things today because ngizoba busy this week, and tomorrow we are going to my friend's colleague. I'm going out with my friend's colleague. One of my friend colleague, as she's got a birthday, but we're not gonna celebrate a birthday as per se. We just want to make a day feel special, so we are going out for lunch only, and then we will see other stuff when we get there, because we as must ngeke just for lunch and then we go back home. Son. So we're gonna see what's happening, and it will depends to time, because I have to come back home. Nginezingane ngizele mina. Oh, I sham sengijabulela abangazele, but ke that's the life I chose for myself. Yeah, guys, so yeah, mangiqeda la ukhuluma nani, I'm gonna do intlama yam for amagwinya, and then yeah, guys, and please enjoy the video, stay tuned. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. If I didn't get time to talk to you, maybe I will talk to you later before I start amagwinya. Yeah, I will see about that. Okay, guys, bye, stay tuned, love you. Mwah. Nkosi yami, kanti bayenza kanjani abantu le trend? Umuntu vele athi nje kayi-1 kwenzeke.
I'll leave you guys to it. Bye, girls. Oh, okay. See you, Rocco. Chloe, if I'm talking to another grown-up, you
Hello, Mama. How are you?
Daddy! Good morning!
Can we see you?
Say good
Bring
morning!
the phone, bring the phone.
Can I say good morning, Daddy?
Yazi banamanga, lento yenzeka uma ususebenzile, you need to work for it before yenzeke. Akho mlingo lana, yazi. Guys, how was the night? Okay, that's good.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. We never meant to make you cry. You were right. Just leave me, I'm not gonna pick up the fight. Every time you wake up, feel worse. No checking time. It's never what it feels like. Just throw me and die.
So I'm done folding the clothes. So now I'm gonna take them to the wardrobe. Go pick up corner. Yo, I never thought that I would finish. So yeah. The one on the hangers as well. Is hangile lezi ngamahanger. So manje will just go and ngiziphethe wardrobe nkosi yami, nase wardrobe khona nezinye ekusamele ngizifuthe out.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way.
So ngizoqala nge-wardrobe lamimiza. So ngizoqala nge-wardrobe lamimiza because lona iglisi ngisheshe ngiqede alihliphi kakhulu. Yes. So this is it. Goodness. Angazi. I will just make those ones. Kani. Oh God. So it means I must sort this out. Ngizibeke kahle before ngi-add lezi kade ngizisongile.
To welcome a new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games. I keep trying to be strong, but I'm fading.
You say you are lost and you're in need of some advice. I'll try to be honest, though it's easier to lie. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby.
So today I'll be cooking amagwinya. I am so excited. Always ngizokukela my family amagwinya. Definitely they will enjoy them. One thing about me, I make sure that my family doesn't go to bed hungry. Noma kuthiwa akho noma kuthiwa yini, as umama ngiyadibanisa ngenza magic in the kitchen. So guys, today they will be eating amagwinya after school. So I've started the process. Segwafakile ama food.
And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby. Yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Yeah. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Get up and get out.
La 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 nami. Ngiyazi sibaningi. Ngiyazi sibaningi. Cela ungi ha ha balala nami. Ngiyazi sibaningi. ngiyazi se lapha ngi-late guys in. Hi my loves, hula guys in, ngi-late sana, I'm forever late. Okay, it's something that I cannot help shem. Guys in, usuku seluzwe lwafika. Khumbula phela izolo bengithe siyahamba siya kwi-outing. So yeah guys, ngi-late. I'm forever late ke shem mna. And into engasoze ngijike sengiyazixolela. Guys, and we were supposed to meet around 12. Best test sihlangana ngo-11, yeah. Is one best test sihlangana ngo-11. And manje ngo guys, it's 12. It's 12. Namake into engizoyenza shem. Ayikho nami into engizoyenza guys. Ngiyazama, but akuzameki. I always try to be early, but I will end up being late. Angazi vele ukuthini. Khona lidlozi lasekhaya elingafuni ngibe early. Mhlawumbe kusele ngiphephise entweni ezithile. Lithi lithi na. Wafika early. Yeah, maleshish la. I want to put this here guys so that you will see me. Khona lidlozi lasekhaya lithi nana, don't go early. Iba late. Kancane. Kaze ngagcina nofaka amacici. Angisazi kwakunini. Kade ngagcina nofaka amacici. Angenzi ngisho ilo ubuso nekhanda ngakalenzi. Ukuze kwabuhlungu nekhanda ngakalenzi. So nje. Because of kabuhlungu guys. Lapha I have to put them. Kalokho nangizobe late. Kade ngigcina bali late. Ingeke ngizobuye ngilifake. Kubuhlungu le ndlela exakile. Guys, I want to show you my outfit. They say outfit check. Okay, let me show you. It's an old dress engangithenge Mr. Price. Kwakuyi umayina 50. So sasimenzele ibirthday sinqobe uyellow. Sasigqoke uyellow on that day. So that is me guys. Chummy. Guys, ngizophatha le bag. Angaze ngiyiphathe. It's my first time. Angaze ngiyiphathe ngangithengelwe udidi ngebirthday yami. Shame umuntu wami. It's a gas bag. Yeah, ngizophatha le bag guys. Because bengasitholi isikhathi so uyiphathe bengayindawo. Yes, so it still has a tag on. Umuntu wami. So that was it. That's the price. Yeah. Cutting color is stash. Chummy. Lapha ikhanda lami linjani guys. So ngeze ikhanda. I don't have a lot of bags, so I only have few choices. I also have the FF bag, but let me color this one. Color stash. I'm so excited about Humble Lwethu guys, because it's been long. I haven't went out with the girls for the longest time now. Umuntu uhlezi busy with the same routine every day. Ubuya emsebenzini, ubhizi nabantwana, uqeda abantwana, uyalala, uyavuka, uyapheka, and all that. Yeah. So I'm going out to be myself with the other girls. Get the lecture guy. I hope nothing wrong goes on. Yeah, guys. They've been calling me. I guess I'm pack. It's something that I can never help. Twama isidudla nje intombi yakwenu kumele ube nomkhaba. Ngiyadlala guys, it's not good because look at myself now angifaneleki. Okay guys, see you, stay tuned. Iy'thombe ezothatha when I get there. Yeah, you're gonna see me. I'll be cute with my gangs. Okay guys, bye.
You say you are lost and you're in need of some advice. I'll try to be honest, though it's easier to lie. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby, get up and get out. 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 It's okay to be broken. It's okay to laugh and cry. 'Cause when you try to see the problem, that means you figure it out. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Yeah. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby.
Ayikho yelo i-original. Yini mlungu?
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to.
we're back, guys. Molweni, sanibonani, ninjani. It's a Sunday. It's a happy Father's Day. It's a Father's Day today, guys. Yeah, I'm from work. Azangize kusalala, guys. So I said, let me just go and fetch the cake for Father's Day, because I baked the cake for my lady, So guys, yeah, hopefully I will find Daddy at home. Guys, I'm gonna show you the cake when I get home. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I am finally home. Oh, dinner. Guys, I am finally home. I wonder what is he gonna say. And usevukile ke sana utata walapha. And a gift, I didn't pack it yesterday. Zangi pack it as a gift yesterday. I just put it there. So guys, let me go inside. I'll tell you the whole story of what's with him. Because he doesn't like surprises. He hates surprises. Oh my god. There he is. He's opening the gate. He's opening the door for me. Okay, guys, see you. He's wearing a gown. Guys, he's wearing a gown. Where is he?
No, I have them and you throw them out.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Go take a knife for your dad so that he's gonna cut the cake.
You clean the knife. Junior,
Junior, come
Come,
take
Papa.
the cake with dad.
come, cut.
Junior, come.
Wow.
Come, cut the cake.
Junior, how to see?
Come, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Catch, Daddy.
Cut it.
Daddy.
It has chocolate inside. Did you want to take a piece?
Take a piece and feed Daddy.
I can't even take it for
Sorry, Junior. Feed Daddy.
Junior,
Easy.